So they brought educators from all over, best educators from all over, to talk about various topics that the students had trouble with, usually on the AP test. And I sat in on a session on biomolecules, mainly proteins, and a 90-minute session, 75 minutes, this educator had the students get up and role playing about proteins. That was Kristen. And I was blown away.
So our next site is going to bring in our next amino acid with our tRNA carrying it. So go ahead into that second site. Go ahead and can you get in there? Good. Okay, now they are set up for the actual polypeptide bond.
That intrigued me to come to her first workshop several years ago, which was on cell biology, and learning how to use models and role playing to teach students. So no longer are they just in the books and are you just lecturing, kids are getting out of their seat, and it made such a difference for me going now back into the classroom to try to redo those same things. And while it may not have been as great as she was, it was a great foundation, and it got my kids excited about biology again. They were using that whole other side of the brain, that right side, and they're being creative. I have since come to several workshops because every time I want to learn something, or every time AP decides to throw something new out, I feel like I don't have the training for my students. And so how do I become a better teacher for them? So that's ultimately the reason that I come, and now I can also take it back to my district. I do teach also on the lower level. So I do have special ed and inclusion, and I can take some of these activities and spiral them back a little bit and just do the foundation. And it gets my kids interested about science, and they love it. And it takes them back to those elementary school days when they actually enjoyed going to school.